This vegan breakfast sandwich is scrumptious. Let me show you how I make my vegan egg patties for this sandwich. For this recipe, you will need 1 cup of mung beans. I get this from Patel Brothers grocery store. Wash and soak your beans in filtered water overnight. Then you are going to strain and rinse your mung beans. For the spices, you will need turmeric, Himalayan pink salt, black salt, and black pepper. Blend all your ingredients with 1 cup of water. I'm using the Vitamix blender for a smooth blend. On a baking tray lined with a silicone mat, pour the blended mung beans onto the pan and spread out the mixture evenly, keeping it about 1/4 inch thick. Air fry for about 7 minutes at 500 degrees. Remove the mung egg from the air fryer once you see that the mixture has completely solidified. Using a cookie cutter, press firmly into the mung egg to form egg patties. You can freeze these patties for future use. To assemble the sandwich, you will need Beyond Breakfast sausage. The spicy ones are my favorite. Veal Life cheddar slices that melts beautifully. Hellmann's vegan mayo, of course. And tostones de pana, which is the breadfruit. I was able to get this from our local neighborhood Walmart. I'm warning you, this sandwich is totally addictive. We hope you enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.